Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to save your favorite effects on a CapCut so that you will not have a difficulty to find those effects again. So the thing that you have to do, open your CapCut application and let's just create a new project, or you can also use your several project that you have here. And here I already have this video, and the most effects that I use on a CapCut is a blur effect. So let's just find the effects that you want to save. So the thing that you have to do, just jump into this effects tools and go into this video effects, and there will be like 100 videos that or 100 effects that pop up here, and I will let you find it specifically for the blur effect. And then you just need to type in the search button and just go click search, and now you need to find out the blur effect that give by the CapCut. And now you just need to find which blur effect that you want to have or you want to save. And then if you already found it, you just need to click and hold the effect. Let's say I will let you save this effect, so you just need to click and hold those effects in several moments, and that will be automatically saved into your favorite. And then to find those effects, you just need to go into this part, and you already got the filters or the effects that you saved before. So that's the way how to save the effects into the CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.